Today we're going to talk about doing the alcohol technique. Here's a sample we did with some purples. In Brush with Art we have a little technique booklet. You can flip through and it has step-by-step directions on a lot of techniques. And we have instructions for the alcohol technique right there. Today we're going to do it on a hard dish. Okay, the first step is to choose your colors. You want to get colors with a lot of contrast. I prefer tone on tone. Sometimes if you do a light color and then say black, it can look a little muddy, but tone on tone I think works better. So we've chosen a real light purple, and you want to start with your light coat. And we've painted this heart with 3 good coats of the light color. And then you need to get ready for the next step. You got to mix your dark color. Half paint, half water. So you'll do that and get it mixed up. And you want to get all your parts assembled, because when we do it, it happens fast. So we'll get that mixed up and ready. And then we want to take rubbing alcohol and pour some of that into a little cup. And we need this dark color to be really thinned out. That's why we do half paint, half water. And with a big piece, you'd want to work in sections because the paint has to be really wet for this technique to work. This heart dish is pretty small, but we'll go ahead and we'll just do half of it. So you'll paint the dark color on there, and then you immediately want to go to your alcohol and flick it. And you can do this different ways with a paintbrush or other ways to flick it, but I just use my fingers. Do the other half. And we'll let that dry real good, and then we'll flip it over and do the back. So it's mostly dry enough to flip. The dark color is kind of dripped underneath, but it'll be fine. Just paint over the top of them. Okay, then we'll let that dry and we'll dip it and put it in the kiln, and when it comes out it'll be shiny like this one.